Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in Tournai, one of Belgium's oldest cities, and it dates back to 2,000 years. Therefore, let's take a look at the city and see what Tournai has to offer. By the way, the weather is not great, but we're still trying to have a great time nonetheless. Let's go. The city is currently undergoing some renovations, and therefore we will not be able to see the city in its full glory. Behind me, we have the Notre Dame Cathedral, which is a jewel of medieval architecture. It also bears a Romanesque and Gothic architectural style. Also, this very church was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List in the year 2000. Tournai's Belfry is the oldest in Belgium, and it dates back to as far as the 12th century. In fact, it dominates the Grand Place, standing at 72 meters and with a 257-step stairway. However, it is unfortunately closed at the moment because of some work which is currently being done on it. Also, it has been added on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Musée du folklore et des imaginaires, closed. Musée des arts de la marionnette, closed. Musée d'histoire naturelle et vivarium, closed. Museum des beaux-arts, closed. One thing that makes Tournai stand out above all other cities is its carnival. Tournai's carnival is one of the city's unmissable events. The streets are colored and paved with decorations, they are transformed, and people come out in their most beautiful costumes, paying homage to the brotherhood. In fact, the oldest trace of carnival in Tournai dates back to the 15th century. Tournai is rich in both culture, architecture, diversity, language. Tournai simply has a lot to offer when it comes to churches, buildings and architecture, because here in Tournai, which is at the border of France, it shares architecture and a rich history, not only comprising of that of Belgium but also that of France, and it is clearly evident in the city's design. Also, as usual, I like the green space, I like the beautiful natural decor, the beautiful environment. At this point in time, let us take a walking tour in Tournai. Enjoy. Take a look at Tournai. Come to Tournai. That ends our trip of Tournai today, and even though it was not sunny, I must admit that the city is still beautiful. Despite the gloom, it looks amazing. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Where should I visit next? Would you like me to visit your city? Would you like to do a video with me? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.